Hey guys, Disney Collector here with these 4 huge Kinder eggs. Well, let's compare them with one regular Kinder egg. So here's a regular Kinder Surprise. Let's put them side by side. And this is the big one. And you can see here that there's a huge difference. Time to open our very first Kinder Surprise. I absolutely love the Kinder chocolate. And right here, we have a lot of Kinder chocolate. Our toy comes in this huge Easter egg. And here's our toy. Let's build it. So we got 2 little frogs. Here's our egg surprise number 2. Another frog. Let's see what this one does. With each of these parts, we can trace a different animal. Kinder Surprise number 3. Oh, this frog is exactly the same as our first one. The exact same toy. Kinder Surprise number 4. Yay, more frogs. But these are different. These 2 frogs can hold our little notes. And it's also a pen. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.